So, as I was saying to my colleagues, some of you are ready to eat from my garbage, from my leftover. It can never be me. It can never be the same table I eat from. It can never be the same table I eat from. So whatever is my leftover is going to be what you will have. And you guys don't mind because you don't have a standard for yourself. You guys don't mind because you don't have a standard for yourself. You have not set up a standard for yourself. So we don't belong to the same category. We don't belong to the same class. Okay? I just want to use this medium to pass a message across to some of my colleagues who are desperately on my husband's inbox. My colleagues, yes, I know where those anger came from. I know where those if you leave, I'm going to get another actress to replace you. Some of you, and you guys have proven it on the social media. You guys have proven it on the social media. So my ex, some of you were also, you went to eat from the garbage I left. So this my husband, you are still waiting for Shine to leave so that you come and eat from the garbage she left. Can't you just step up your game? Can't you guys step up your game? Can't you step up your game? You mock me and you are wanting what you mock. You mock me and you are wanting what you mock. You guys need a life. You guys really need a life. Hey, mo when I mean no muwa. Na me na kwere yagba izabaku no be muwa. I mean na muwa. And before I married, some of you never still marry. I don't born. At least some of you never still born. Una still they talk. What are you guys? I don't know what to call you guys. Let me just leave it there. You guys, I'm not the problem of you guys. And I don't even know if you guys exist. I don't know if you guys exist. The other lady said, you know, no say na Shine get many enemy pass for their entertainment industry. You say na Ebony na he gets many enemy pass. Yes, it's me. It's me. They canvass, they campaign. They campaign against me. In the entertainment industry, they campaign against me. It's a secret campaign they do against me. If you guys don't know now. It's a secret campaign they go against me. That was why I was just like, oh, okay, they fear no fear. But my darling husband, Oda Femenuwa, Oda Femeni Hesi, Odonekbo, Ukponi Yanyegbe, Odoni Yayo. I'm deeply sorry. I'm sorry, my darling. I'm sorry, my darling. Yes, and to my amiable in-law that I respect and love so much, that came into this matter, I appreciate you very well. I love you, my amiable in-law, Edwards. Okay? So, Monica, go and hide yourself. Why are lay? See, I'm not that kind of woman. Another thing is, if saga or public display of marital discomfort, if it does not break you, it will make you. It will make the home a better home. Public display as an entertainer of marital discomforts or marital disputes is either it destroys the marriage completely or it makes the marriage more valuable. It makes the home more valuable. Obiani odo ya kakabo hunjio huoni. Ohuoni odo kakabo ya hunjio biani. That is the advantage of it. It's only a fool, a mumu, that will not take an advantage of any situation. Okay? So in this dispute, in this public dispute, it's making our marriage more valuable. My husband now know his errors. I, the wife, also now know my errors completely. So, as an entertainer or as a public figure, no aya talo mama no ya do de miniji. Any small thing. I know the secret, oh. I will talk, oh. I will talk, oh. I will talk, oh. Any small thing, I will talk, oh. You better just write down for your page. Write down. Make you they use indirect, they talk to the person where you they talk to as a spouse. So if the spouse don't want may escalate past that one, he go call you inside. My darling, please come inside. Okay? So we have also learned our lesson one way or the other right now. So haters, kiss my ass. Don't kiss on it, sorry. Bell. Usungu vedene werowa. E Monica eko bete. Useless. E minere minagaya u. We a pepe. Ambrose ukian wowa. We a pepe. Ekian ibodo don eme minagaya u. Alalu e one of the universe. Ambrose. Alalu e one of the universe. We a pepe. Ekian. Ikwo we are gone. Where we are gone. E shana we are gone. Where we are gone. Don't you know me? Me have you gone where we are going, Monica? I call better. Me have gone where we are going. Who does that? Why now? I not be your mate in anything. My iye-eki, I'm not your mate in anything. And to my colleagues who are doing judgeability, step up your games, guys. Step up your games. You don't use another person's downfall to evaluate yourself to feel that you are trying. You are not trying. Nobody needs to fall for you to feel that you are trying. Nobody needs to fall for you to feel your superiority. No, nobody. So step up your games. Step up your games. Okay? Step up your games and stop eating other people's remnants. How many of you don't born who not fit bring person who born for comments? How many of you don't born? We obianu wabiena wa mighty the ladia. O ma dok mama obianu wabiena. Uwa muela dia esobieva esobiokpa esobieha ama bego biani abiena de ghosting abiena o de omanagban abiena o do k abiena o ama bege. You should be applauding shine. You should be applauding shine. Ogbera Francis noro wodo ogbera piseve naye no be mare vederio inu wa ikenoro wodo. Inwa, am I your mate? I'm not your mate. We are not in the same class. We are not in the same category. So you can't wish me to fail as you guys have failed. A lot of you have failed woefully. A lot of you have failed completely. So go and work on yourself and step up the game. You don't need to evaluate yourself with another person's downfall. You don't need to evaluate yourself by another person's garbage. Or you wait for another person to dump their husband for you to enter. You don't need to evaluate yourself. Please take this message to those my colleagues who are parading themselves with content and making mockery of themselves. They need to step up the game. And they need to work on themselves to get at least one man where the office is born for. Where we say the office display say, okay, this one I born for. You not there. You not there. So, me and Una, we're not there the same category. We're not there the same class. And I want to use this medium to apologize to my fans all over the world. My lovers. I want to use this medium to apologize genuinely to you guys. I love you so much. I want to let you know that this was a temptation. This was an attack thrown, targeted to shine. This dispute, Ezona, was an attack targeted to me to destroy my marriage publicly. But to salobwane oyekwe ya muya. Okay? So wala wo. My fans all over the world. Wagbeme yowa. Waya bome. Waya boda for me. Nobody is perfect. Imperfection is humanity. Please guys, bear with me. Bear with me guys. I sincerely apologize and appeal to my fans all over the world that this display was an obvious attack targeted to my home. But by the special grace of God, we have overcome. We have conquered. We have conquered it and we have overcome. And I appeal to you all that this will not repeat itself again. This will obviously not repeat itself again. Okay? Que no maeti di owo doja. Que no mwema bule hian. Que no mwema mechanic hian. Que nenemi. Ya filukbe gie egbiyan. You guys should go and work on yourself. And to my lovers that carried my case on their head, I kneel down for you guys. I kneel down for you guys. Please, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your immense support. Thank you for the love. I can't thank you guys enough. I can't appreciate you guys enough. Mommy Okbaika, Mommy Beatrice Okbaika, I love you so much. Jennifer Collins, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Frank umenwan, thank you so much. Enoge Maton, thank you so much. Ameya UFA, Ameya UFA, thank you so much. A lot of people, Lolo, Anu Ajose, aka Lolo, thank you so much. Rita Ayemiomo, thank you so much. Kate, thank you so much. VIP something, thank you so much. I can't mention everybody. I just want to let you all know I appreciate you. I love you so much. And my home is my home. My marriage is my marriage. I go nowhere, baby. I go nowhere, baby. I go nowhere, baby. My marriage is my marriage. If I like, let me call my husband iye-eki. If I like, let me call my husband Igbobian. If I like, let me call my husband Adanyondiku. Na me be wife. Na me go call her name. Na me go still praise him. Okay? Try am, may you call her. When I not send you, may you call her. Whether you not go face me. So, na me be wife. Na me go still call her name. Na me go still praise him. Okay? So, he is me. I'm his wife. He's my husband. So, whatever, I'm the only one who has that right to do that. Whether publicly or privately. Okay? So, I have realized and I sincerely apologize to my husband. I sincerely apologize to my fans all over the world. I sincerely apologize to my babas and mama that I respect so much. I sincerely apologize to my husband's family. I sincerely apologize to my own family. I sincerely apologize to all my groups. I sincerely apologize to the young ladies coming up. I sincerely apologize to young ladies looking up to me. I sincerely apologize to the people I mentor. Imperfection is humanity. Please, I'm on my knees. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay? Please bear with me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Because I'm not a perfect being. I'm only human. I'm only human. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Thank you so much, and God bless you richly. Thank you so much.